Business Today is brought to you by...
We start with a yes. But when life takes unexpected turns, you can still say yes to more. The Scotiabank Aero Platinum MasterCard credit card gives you points with every purchase that you can use to travel to anywhere. Plus, with just 20,000 Scotia points, you can say yes to destinations. With Scotiabank Aero Platinum MasterCard credit card, it's easier to say yes to everything. Apply today.
This is Business Today. I'm Marlon Madden. Residents seeking a line of credit from financial institutions here could come under greater scrutiny as the Barbados Bankers Association engages the services of a credit bureau. Officials of the association are currently reviewing 2 proposals from international interests in an effort to establish a credit bureau here. During a town hall meeting on Tuesday night to discuss the much talked about credit information system, Vice President of the Barbados Bankers Association, Ian D'Souza, said it had many functions.
The responsibilities of the credit bureau and outline. The responsibility of the credit bureau will be to perform appropriate due diligence on prospective data providers, to manage the membership agreements with the data providers, to have a proper set of policy and procedure for their own operations. They would be responsible for ensuring that there is compliance with the code of conduct by all users. They will have to investigate breaches of policy and procedure. And then they also have to ensure that certain information is made available to the public.
The Bureau is expected to be in place within 6 months after the legal framework has been completed, and it will only be allowed to store information up to 7 years. D'Souza explained that there were benefits to both residents seeking lines of credit as well as financial institutions. He says it will help financial institutions to make better lending decisions so as to avoid losses.
The other part of it is that it is an absolute benefit to customers as well, because you get to a point in time when your credit bureau, your database is fully uploaded. You get to a point, and Chris will talk a lot about this, where your credit score becomes a thing of importance to you. In that the better your credit score, the better access you have to credit.
Insurance company Sagicor General is reporting a decrease in the frequency of accidents and significant improvement in drivers' habits following the introduction of its DrivePal monitoring system 2 years ago. Launched in June 2015, the DrivePal and subsequently DrivePal Plus monitor driving habits with a view of effecting positive change. Vice President of Marketing and Business Development Mark Blakely says he is satisfied the product is doing exactly what it was designed for.
So it's doing well. What we've been very pleased about is DrivePal Plus, which is the DrivePal component for commercial fleets. So not only does it help improve driving behavior and offer discounts for insurance, it also gives a unique fleet management perspective in that you can use it to hopefully manage your fleet's costs by reducing costs associated with idling, routing, ring fencing, that sort of thing. And it gives you reports on maintenance of the vehicle. So all that comes bundled into the package.
Blakely was addressing a media conference to launch Sagicor General's new Young Professionals Motor Insurance policy on Wednesday. Outlining the benefits of the new policy, Vice President of Underwriting Wanda Mears said she is expecting a lot of excitement and buzz over the new product in coming weeks. The Young Professionals policy is targeting professionals between the ages of 16 and 40.
As previously indicated, the Young Professionals policy is not your typical insurance product. It gives the policyholder more. And these additional benefits include personal accident coverage, cover for their personal possessions, medical expenses, and homeowners insurance.
Now for today's financial tip. When planning your insurance needs, be sure to seek advice from a reputable broker to ensure you are getting the right type of coverage at the right price. That's been Business Today. Join us again next Tuesday. Until then, you can get more business and news by logging on to www.barbadostoday.bb, subscribing to our e-paper, and liking us on Facebook. I'm Marlon Madden.